All right, this video is coming, I think 2 weeks after my first splice attempt video. I had a side project which will make sense come Easter time. So things kind of got out of whack in terms of filming and uploading and such. But the last 3D printer video I had, I was attempting to splice spools together, and I will get back to that and the results and such. In the meantime, aside from splicing filament together, the 3D printer was humming really well until about a week and a half ago. And as I was printing something, I don't know if this is going to see, you see that little dab of filament? That's what was at the end of my nozzle. It was still going, it was still trying to print, but right there, that's what was on my nozzle, and it was not putting down any filament at all, which means I think my nozzle went belly up. So today we're going to be swapping out the nozzle. I'd never done this before, and excuse me, but I watched a video or two, so here we go. It's really actually easy, and I don't know how well in focus this is, but here's the nozzle there. Oh yeah, my 3D printer saying that it's too cold to be working. It's 36 degrees here in the shed. All right, so as now the 3D printer was griping and complaining about the cold, then the battery excuse me, went out in my camera. Anyway, this is real easy. There's a couple of tabs here to press. You just squeeze on those and just kind of work that out. All right, I'm going to turn the 3D printer off here for a bit so it's not making that noise. And here's what my nozzle looks like. All right, so I haven't been doing any 3D printing in at least a week and a half. It might even be a full 2 weeks, because I had to order a new nozzle, and here it is in a nice ESD bag. And I was surprised when I pulled this out. I was expecting the same nozzle, but it's not. The new one is high speed. So I spent all that time backing out of the firmware to use so that I could keep using the stock nozzle, and thinking I was ordering another stock nozzle. Maybe they don't even make those anymore. Maybe the high-speed ones are all that they make. Anyway, after I get this installed, I'm going to need to reinstall the latest firmware. So let's get this guy back in. Okay, and you just push him in place, and that's all there is to it. Now I'm going to turn the machine back on, and hopefully he doesn't gripe too much, because I think I need to tell the machine that it now has a new nozzle. And again, not anything I've done before. And probably maintain. Is it, oh, change extruder, there we go. So, I don't see, okay, this is the one that's highlighted. It's the same 0.4, a 240, and it doesn't have high speed or non-high speed. So, I'm going to say that it still knows what it's doing. Unload filament, okay, it's already unloaded. And after installing the new nozzle, please make offset according to the temperature value on the nozzle. After installing the new nozzle, please make offset according to the temperature value on the nozzle. Oh, I didn't see anything on the nozzle for that. Let me look at the old one before I pull the new one back out, see if that's listed somewhere. I have to just keep it where it is. I don't see anything that says about an offset. I may need to look this up before I actually fire it up. I'm just going to go complete and say that it's good. Now, I need to upgrade. Checking new version of firmware. And then I believe I also read that in my slicer, I need to let it know that it's good. Okay, it says it's got the latest version, but I don't think that's true. And is it under log? Copy log. Oh, no, it's not. Is it under maintain? It should be something with about. That's what I want. Probably settings. And wait, network, Wi-Fi. Are we still on? And okay, so we're connected. So it should have known whether it's updated or not. And about. And I'm going to need to go check on what the firmware is. So I will be right back, because I think that's the 2.2.4-2.3. I think that's what I set it back to. So I'll need to go make sure that I've got the most current firmware. I'll be back in a bit. All right, after consulting the interwebs using AI, and I'm still not 100% convinced that using AI isn't just encouraging it to morph into Skynet and enslave all of us. But in the meantime, according to AI on the interwebs, I want to stick with the firmware that I've got, even with the high-speed nozzle. Okay, so I'm going to go do that. I'm going to go ahead and send the print that I was printing that failed. I don't know if it's in the library here, because I might be able to do it. Let's go with build, local files. Is it there? It is not part of my local file, so I'll have to resubmit it, and that's okay. So what I'll do is go back in the house and load everything up. I'm not hearing this thing squeal any, so I'm going to assume that with it being powered up, it's going to be usable. So I'll send the model to it. I'll calibrate the bed first, and then resend the model, and probably will either show the next segment as a completed project, or the next segment will be failed project, and I'll need to see what I'm going to do again. All right, so next segment for you, it'll be the blinking of an eye. It is the next morning, and I have successfully printed with the new nozzle. 2 pieces. I had some trouble getting this one piece off of the platform, but that tape should take care of it. Anyway, it successfully printed what will be the front to a second treasure chest. This one's slightly larger than the first one, which was larger than the prototype. Whether I film this one or not, I'm not sure. I might, because I've got some ideas about some things. But anyway, the point is that I swapped out the nozzle and successfully made a print. So I think my 3D printer, once again, is up and going. And so I'll bring this video to an end. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. If you found this video entertaining, informative, or any such things like that in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. Blessings.